Exercise 3. Which of the following is equivalent to 3x plus 2 times 2x plus 5? So let's see again. 3x plus 2 multiplied by 2x plus 5. This is a typical case of double distribution, which means that I'm going to multiply every single term of the first bracket, 3x and 2, with every single term of the second bracket, that is 2x and 5. So at first, I have 3x multiplied by 2x plus 3x multiplied by 5 plus 2 times 2x plus 2 times 5. 3x times 2x is 6x squared plus 3x times 5 is 15x. 2 times 2x is 4x plus 2 times 5 is 10. Let me simplify a bit. 6x squared plus 19x plus 10, and this obviously makes B the right answer for this question.